Hey everybody, look at this big old bird nest. What type of bird y'all think made this nest? But yeah, we taking Blue for his walk today. It's been raining all day. The rain slacked down where the rain stopped. But that's what we doing, taking him on his walk, like always, seeing what he's going to get into today. But as y'all can see, he's strolling. He ain't smelling no grass. I told him to use the bathroom. He ain't trying to use the bathroom. He ain't smelling no grass or nothing. He's strolling along with me and my mother, you know. But yeah, y'all join us for this walk. I'm not gonna talk too much. I'm gonna see what he's going to get into today, like I said, and see how this walk goes. So I'll get back at y'all as soon as Blue get into something because I know he will. We still strolling along. I told y'all he ain't smell no grass. Look at him. He ain't trying to smell no grass so he could use the bathroom. Strolling. Look at this. Told y'all. Okay, we might got something going on right here. He looked back. He still ain't smelled the grass yet. Let's see what he's getting ready to do. Nothing. Still strolling along. But look at these beautiful trees. God, that's beautiful. I wish y'all could see the raindrops that was on them. I couldn't get close enough. But look at this tree right here blowing in the wind. That's something nice right there. People don't take time to really stop and see what's going on around them. But there go Blue. Still ain't smelled nothing yet. He don't got nothing going on. Look at him. Told y'all. But we're going to see. We're going to see. But look at this right here. Look at the geeses. We back looking at this sight of beauty. It's something beautiful right there. Nature. How can you not love it? You know? This is something I do. I pay attention to what's around me. The quietness. But there go Blue again. Still strolling. Not a care in the world. Blue right here, he ran into. We ran into one of our neighbors, and that's his friend, female. Her name is Mel.
That's good.
and
You
she's
enjoying
very
this weather?
skittish.
Yep.
But her owner
It's to rain
said
again.
that
You'll
she
talk.
would just play with
You're
Blue.
not gonna talk
She
to
loves
Blue.
Blue
Say
and
hi.
Blue loves
Say
her.
hi, Blue. Give
You
a
know.
kiss.
You see her, bro? She is so cute.
Okay, have a nice one. Okay.
But we ain't done yet. Let's see if Blue gonna do something. Him and my mother. He right beside his grandma.
I ain't know that was done.
Okay, let's see.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we at the end of our journey. Overall, it was a nice walk. And if y'all really want to know, no, Blue didn't do nothing. Not
Take me
one
home, Blue.
thing.
Come on.
But he is taking us home. You know, we almost there. And I know he cannot wait.
Take me home. Come on. Gotta hurry up. No,
Y'all
I told
see him?
Blue to take me home.
He cannot wait to get to that glass door
You know where
to
you live
call
at?
it a night.
Take us home. Come on, Blue.
Look at him.
Take us home, Blue.
And he's walking like he's so tired. He ain't do nothing. Not one thing.
Take us home.
But he is
Good
taking
boy.
us home. Until the next time, we out.
Good boy.
Like, comment, and subscribe.